Hi, I'm Elizabeth from Oliver Smith Jeweler, and today I'm unboxing for you Panerai's PAM1661. This has been, I would say, one of the most highly anticipated watches from Panerai in 2020, and that's because it really looks unlike anything they've ever done before, especially in this Luminor style. So Panerai's, they're always going to come with this protective cardboard outer covering for the box that just helps keep everything clean and intact. And we've got this black cardboard box covering as well. And you should see some version of this on most current day Panerai's. And then inside, the watch itself is housed. This is a cherry wood box. We've got the Panerai engraving on the top. And as we open up, we've got again some protective covering inside of here, the cloth, and then the watch revealed below. So the 1661 looks like comes with the screwdriver tool. This is to help you change the straps and the buckle, and then also an additional waterproof strap option. Most Panerais you'll see come with another strap. They really pride themselves as a brand on having straps that are easy to change yourself and can quickly change the look of a watch, but not always. So the 1661 is a 44mm watch, and the case is made out of carbon fiber. So the way Panerai makes their carbon fiber is they make one entire block of about, I think, 126 sheets of carbon fiber, put it under immense pressure and heat, and then they cut out this entire case from that block. So nothing's welded or glued together. It's gonna make the case extremely tough. Also, carbon fiber is extremely light. It got its origins in F1 racing. And you can see on the case, those lines of the carbon fiber are going to be unique to each watch, just like a fingerprint or say a tree trunk. When you get up close, you can really see that detailing. It's really beautiful, but from far away, you can't see it as much. So it's sort of a unique feature, especially to the owner of this piece. You have some deep appreciation for that. The 1661 has been so sought after or excited about because it's the first time Panerai's done this carbon fiber in the 44mm Luminor style with this blue luminescence. We first saw this blue luminescence on the submersible, but it wasn't a sandwich dial. So what that means is underneath this black dial you see on top, there's an entire layer of luminescence beneath there, the blue luminescence we're seeing on the 1661. And then the black dial on top, they laser cut out the number in dashes. This makes the lume even brighter for you. Say you go into a dark room or it's nighttime. Even my Panerai will glow sometimes when I'm just going out to dinner. The dial on this watch is a very deep matte black. It really seems to be absorbing light. It plays well with the blue luminescence coloring and just it really makes for a sleek, cool, sporty look. This watch has the P9010 movement. This is one of our favorite movements from Panerai because it's so easy to use. So if you open up your crown here on the right, and I move the watch out to this first position, this allows me to manipulate the hours hand. This is also how you roll the date. And what's so nice about this movement is you can roll forward and backward. You don't have to worry about messing up the movement with the date involved. Now, if I pull the movement out to the second position, pull the crown out, I can move the hours and the minutes together. And you'll notice when I do that as well, the seconds hand stops here on the left, so you can get a really accurate setting. This watch is an automatic, that's part of the P9010 movement. It does have a closed case back, and I've seen that, I believe, with all of Panerai's carbon fiber models. I would imagine this plays into the durability of the watch and the toughness with the closed case back. This strap does have a pin release system, so you're gonna need a small pin to pop the strap out of here. We're so excited to have this PAM1661 and be able to show it to you for the first time. If I missed something, please leave me a comment below and make sure to give us a follow for more videos like this.